Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about monitoring your writing history in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Are you a stats lover? Even if you're not, you might want to keep track of your daily writing progress. Well, writing history is what you need. Go into Project and Writing History. In the pop-up, you'll already have a lot of information to look at if you've been writing regularly. There are various ways to look at the data. In words or characters, in months or days, or both. If you have a large screen, you can expand the pop-up to see the list of stats in the centre. And you can even see your average number of words written. But probably the most useful part of this feature, for those who really are into the stats, is the fact that you can export them into a CSV file, which you can open into Excel or another spreadsheet program and analyse to your heart's content. My stats are interesting. This is only my test file. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.